Hello everyone, our topic today will look at deferred maintenance, which are repairs to assets that get delayed or backlogged. In this scenario, we would like to model two pumps which are running in parallel in a remote location, and because of logistics issues, the repair policy is to wait until both pumps fail before maintenance or replacement takes place. To do that, we use the black box concept in order to satisfy a deferred maintenance response. In this model, we have created a system which has 2x50 pumps which are built using the black box. The black box was set at 100% rating with 24 hours constant repair time. Since we have two pumps, we will set two failure modes representing each pump in the black box. The capacity loss at failure and repair are both set at 50%. Each pump has a MTTF of 1 year and MTTR of 16 hours. When we use a black box to build the pumps in this case study, the logic is that the process of reinstating two pumps to working condition at one go would require less time. We ran the simulation and we used the event log to see how the pumps are behaving. We did a quick post-processing from the event log, and what we can observe is the failure of the first pump was not attended with repair, but deferred until both pumps have failed, and this correlates with the logic we have set up with the black box. So I hope you find this demo useful. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or like to get in touch, please email digital@dmbgl.com. Take care and bye for now.